Hi guys and welcome to the channel. In this video we're doing a devlog 0. What does that mean? Well, it's just kind of a look at where the game is and where it isn't. A great look. So I've done some videos in the past that have not been great, but it's been really nice to look back at them and see where I was. So I just kind of wanted to do a status update. In Life Matters, we've been on vacation and we've been really sick, which has just been terrible. We're all completely smashed. Me, the wife, and the little one. But the show must go on. Unity? Let's see what we have. Prefab scene? So this is the art direction for the first biome. Kind of a snapshot. We have a lot of different materials for dirt and rocks. So it actually probably won't be this green. You can also see my test setup here. We have a lot of failing tests, which sucks. So yeah, there's that. Pretty flower. Let's maybe just hop into the main game and press play. So this is the old game. This is not the new game. It has all kinds of web things. I changed the lighting to linear from gamma at one point, and the GUI textures haven't been updated, so that's why that all looks kind of weird. Here we have some guys standing behind, not having their walk animation. Don't do that in a trailer. I think I can multi-select and they'll walk inside each other. Yeah, so this is all generated. You can kind of see we have a slope bug where it puts more slopes in than's needed. We have a terrain edge bug where the edge of the terrain looks all fooey. There's a bug when the mouse is outside the window or something. It kind of jumps when you grab the terrain. Be nice to get fixed. So like all things, this just ends up being a bug hunt. We're just like, well, this is pink, this is terrible. And I think also this is not kind of colliding as I would imagine. It looks really weird, the cursor. Okay, so there's some collision issues. State of the game is there are lots of bugs. Scaling of the grass, terrible. Because of some shader upgrades we did. Well, yeah, I think the shadows fade out. I thought actually that was fixed. Looks quite nice here, but it's just shaded. We don't need real-time shadows. Right now we're generating some real-time shadows based on an invisible shadowcaster layer that's on top of this, and that's just not needed. You can kind of see it there, the invisible shadowcaster. It should just be shaded. There's no reason for us to do real-time shadows on it, so I shouldn't do that. Don't do things you don't need to do. I have spent such a long time on that, but that's just going to get, I don't know if that's going to get cut. Probably not. At this point in development, a lot of things are going to get cut, but actually it takes time to cut things. So some things are not going to get cut because it takes time to cut them. That doesn't mean I'm going to leave bugs in, but I have perfectionist syndrome and I can't let that take over. What is this? Chopping, mining? Can we mine? I don't think we can mine. Oh, fuck. Let's switch back. Okay. So when I switch up the layers, I have this pink texture. It's because this material here goes transparent when it fades from this one to this one. Oh, there are really some camera issues. So the idea is to have the world as like cutouts. Here you can see all the revealed. So basically like a 3D room world. Oh, that's terrible. Sometimes the camera hops and jinks. Fuck that shit. Let's look at the next layer. So it looks like our terrain function for figuring out what material it is all the same. So this is all just looking at. This should be updating what we're looking at. But again, this is the old game. I think I'm going to fix the things that really need fixing, and then I'm just going to start building the prototype on top of this. So the prototype was cut down a lot. Let's see here. What do we have left? Okay, so we just have the bare minimum left. So you can still see it's kind of some of the same systems. I can build towers on T. That works really bad. That is not fun. It was the fastest thing. And towers only have 2 arrows. So if I stand right here, I can build a tower like that. And we don't have an enemy spawner because I was working on something else. Let's turn on the enemy spawner. And then let's go to this tree and chop some wood. Whoop. Nice. Okay. I quite like that. We have some more enemies incoming. So what I would like is for the wood, I'm gonna get dead. Run away. How much gold do I have? So I can't actually. Oh, he shoots him again because. He shoots him again because he's still there but not dead. Interesting bug. Wait, how much gold do I have left? I can still build towers, but it sucks building towers like this. I hate it. And it would be nice if I could get, so you can see, oh, that was a bad decision, but it actually worked out okay. You can see I've generated some wood over here. Let's try and go mine some wood. And I would like the towers to just kind of pick up the wood. You can see a little wood block flew out there. And here I would like the conveyors to, well, I would like to be able to move conveyors. I would like to be able to build conveyors to move wood to the towers. So just having like chopping wood and conveying them to the towers would be like a shitty arrow, a sharp stick. And that's where you start. You start with, oh, I got dead. Let's see how many enemies we can handle. It's not allowed. It's silly. Somewhere in my code I pause and it's like, oh, no, pause. No. Okay. We can't really use the frames for anything here because the editor is taking up so much juice. King of the juice. So that is the state of the prototype. The prototype is not fun. Let's say that again. Currently, the prototype is not fun. Well, maybe that's not true. Currently, the prototype is missing some things that make it fun. And those things are right around the corner. Okay, my wife and kid are home now. The video stops here. Thanks, guys, for watching. And hopefully I will have a better video for you soon. See you next time. Bye. Like and subscribe.